2025 Year in Review Part 2, and today we're going to talk about the features that became baseline widely available. And that means 30 months have passed since the features originally became interoperable on all major browsers. Container queries. I've talked a lot about this on my channel, but it allows you to create media queries depending on the container size rather than the viewport size. This is really handy if you're creating a UI kit and you want to make it possible to use in different sizes, and it will automatically adapt based on the container size. Translate, scale, and rotate properties can now be used directly without having to use transform, translate, or transform, rotate. Constructible style sheets. This is a low-level API used in web components. For example, if you use lit uses it. It's really good for performance because it lets you reuse the same style sheet across multiple shadow DOMs efficiently. Import maps. You can create a script with the type import maps and then define an object that tells the browser how to import different package names. For example, you can say Lodash and then give it the path of the entry point for Lodash, and you can just do an import from another script type module in the browser without using Vite, without using Webpack, and it will just work. And we now have Web Push everywhere. It works everywhere, also on Mac, also on iOS. Asterisk, on iOS, the app has to be installed to your home screen, and I think honestly this is fair. We have Web Push everywhere on the web now. Origin Private File System. This is a high-performance file system API for the web. It gives your app a private storage area where you can read and write very fast. This makes it ideal if you're building a web app that must do that very frequently, such as a text editor or a video editor. I have two other videos in this 2025 Year in Review series on my channel. One is about the features that became baseline newly available, and one about features that are only missing in one browser engine. Let me know if you want me to make a deep dive about one of these features, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!